Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a lot of people that are mistaken in the version numbers for Windows, and we'll explain a few things here. One, of course, is people still have a hard time understanding that what end of support of 20H2 means. I have a lot of people saying, so we're going to have only security updates. No, 20H2 is ending. That's it. No more security updates after next month. Yes, Windows 10 goes until 2025. It goes through there as long as you update to the latest versions all the time. That is the thing. You have to go through that. So if you're on 20H2, you have the possibility to update to 21H1 or 21H2. You have to move on to one of those to continue getting support. This is the way it's going to work until 2025. You'll have regular yearly updates that you'll have to do to maintain the support to your Windows 10. That's the way it works. One particular version of Windows 10 only is good for 18 months. It's when you upgrade to the latest versions all the time that you move on. The other thing about the versions that a lot of people are still mixed up is because people see that version of Windows 11 is, of course, 21H2. So they have the impression that 21H2 is the version for Windows 11. No, 21H2 simply means that it's a version released in the second half of 2021. Windows 10 also has 21H2. It also is a 21H2 version because there's also a release of the second half of 2021 for Windows 10. Windows 11 is Windows 11. Windows 10 is Windows 10. The versions 21H2 are simply stating when a version of Windows is released. Another thing also, I see a lot of people saying, well, where's 22H1? And others are saying, well, 22H1 must be here now. No, there's no 22H1 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. It doesn't exist. 22H1 is not a version that exists. We're moving on to 22H2. So from 21H2 on Windows 10 or Windows 11, we'll be moving on to 22H2 on Windows 11 and on Windows 10 also later this year, second half of the year. 22H1 does not exist. We're moving on. We have a yearly update now, which means we'll have only one version change every year, both for Windows 10 and for Windows 11. So don't think about 22H1 or 21H1, 22H1 or for Windows 11 or Windows 10, and don't think of 23H1 for those. That doesn't exist. It will always be from now on, unless there's a change in the scheduling, it should always maintain itself at 22H2 for the next version of Windows 10 and 11, 23H2 for the next version of Windows 10 and 11, 24H2, and so on, until the end of support of Windows 10, and of course, until whatever happens to Windows 11 at some point. So these are the things that you have to know. A lot of people are mixed with these version numbers and all, so just wanted to put things straight. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.